What's up, YouTube? I done seen this thing on my Facebook. It's how they really treat the animals in the farm and how we get our food. And right now, I literally cried about the thing. I mean, you ain't never gonna hear me say this ever again. I actually cried. You see this? My eyes are red. I don't cry. Never. But that made me cry. They slaughtered the pig. They cut the pig's throat. Dude, what would you do if that was you? If that's you. I mean, all that is you. How they treat the chickens, how they pulverize everything, how they pulverize the meat, how they do everything. They take the baby's cows. The poultry. They manhandle everything. I mean, everybody, poultry, chicken, everything that got anything filled with animals, they manhandle it. They not treated with respect or nothing. Like our dogs and our cats. We treat it with respect, right? They don't treat it with no respect. They will throw it in there and do whatever it takes. They do not care no more. I'm gonna have to go vegetarian or something, but it was so harsh. That was too harsh. I could not see that. I seen it and I cried. I'm sorry. That's how I feel about that. Sorry, I got some comments on. That is really how I feel about that. Now I'm about to go to sleep. If I have a dream about that, them farms about to have a problem. And that problem gonna be me. Deuces.